Hey folks, how's everybody doing today? Happy Thursday, hope you're doing well. Alrighty. Found some other music here. I was getting tired of the other tracks, so it's no copyright sound, which is cool. It's all DMCA free music. It's pretty fun. But their web player is not great. I think I gotta download some of these and figure out a better way to do all this, so it's like there's no volume control, right? Isn't there usually like a volume control? Seems weird to not have that on a player, but that's alright. So, happy Thursday. We are almost done with the class. I can't believe this, and I'm so sorry. I'm behind on grading. I'm going to get it all done this week and this weekend. I'll get you all up to date here. Sorry for that delay. It's life has been a little nuts, but I'm sorry. So I will get that caught up for you, and then we're heading to our final exam and the final project presentation, or just getting the final projects done. Your little Twitter clone there. So we're going to talk about sessions in Java today and cookies. And that'll be if you want to use the Java portion or JSP, Java servlets for your final project. We'll need these sessions here so we can track login information and that sort of thing. Okay? And someone had a good question about hashing passwords. It's definitely a good idea to hash them. Don't worry about the salt. We're not really doing this 100% properly. It's a good idea if we can salt it, but to try and track that and then manage salts and have people change them, it's probably more headache than it's worth. Okay, so we're just gonna skip past that and feel a little bit bad about it, but we can only tackle so much in a semester. So we'll finish up talking about sessions today. Hey, I'm in class. No, I'm in class right now. Please, Bob.
Hey, I'm trying to ask you a question. Why did you find them downstairs?
So we're going to look at opening up our Netbeans project. We had the stocks project previously.
Did you put it downstairs?
Evie, yes. Please leave. I'm in the middle of class. All right. And let's see. So we have that Hello World project. Maybe we'll just open that one up instead of doing a new one. We just keep working with that. See if we can add in some login information, that sort of thing. That was our... Was that Hello World? I think we called it a Hello World. Let's take a peek, see if that one's right. Close this one down. Close this one. All right, let's see if we can get some of these other ones to load. Thank you, Netbeans. All right, maybe. It looks like there's a big delay here. Sorry. That's weird. Longer than usual. Come on, Netbeans. Focus. Don't open them. Just close them. Come on. Just close. It was going so smooth earlier today, too. Maybe you can get Netbeans to cooperate. We'll see. When update found. There we go. It's not update right in the middle, though. Come on. Oh, close. There we go. Now it's finally working. Oh, close Hello World. Yeah, I think this one was it. That's fine. Not actually a problem for us. There we go. Yep. So we got some views, some of our beverages and stocks, our Hello World. We got a beverage controller, a stock controller. Awesome. Yeah, this is going well. Okay. Here we had our servlet here that managed all of our where we're going to go if we have a particular action. We want to send it to a particular view. Right? And then we had our add stock action. We had our Hello World to go to the JSP page. I want to say JSP page. It's just a JSP, a Java server page. Don't say page. Okay? So we're doing good there. So let's add another one here. Let's go and maybe add, say, how about a login view? Let's add a new JSP for login. And we'll go copy off some of these here because we want to include the header, we want to include the footer, do all that good stuff. And we'll see if we can get a little login operation working here. Come on. Oh my goodness, Netbeans. Sorry, folks. It was going fine earlier. What is closed out some of this stuff I yesterday I've opened? Should be fine. I don't know why it's so slow. Close that one too, I guess. Man, just hates my project. We can close Discord. Get that one out. All right. Maybe. Nope, just sitting here. That's okay. Oh, it made a file. It's getting there. How are you folks doing? How was your week? My goodness. Just to add a file, it's like super cranky at me. Wow. All right. We have a page. There we go. I don't know what's going on with that, guys. Sorry. All right. I would see if we can keep most of this over here, right? Let's let's grab all of it for now. We can always come back and change it. Okay. So we're gonna have a login option here, right? Do login. We want to send it. Where do we want to send it? To what controller? We can even add a new controller here. Right? We don't have to do it all in the same Hello World controller. I'm gonna add a login one. Why not? Let's add another servlet for login. And yeah, we want to call this one the login here. So go to /login. We want to add that to our web XML, which is good. And here's our login. Awesome. And we can process. All right. Good so far. So we'll go back to login, send it to /login. So hello world is our project name /login. And we'll have a username. The text and has username. And then we'll have a password. Now if we do type of password, should look better there. And we don't need a hidden one. There we go. And our button is login. We'll show the table, we have that. We'll just say login. Okay. So then the login controller can check and see, right? If we have some information, we'll go and process it. If not, how about we go and grab something else? So let's get our action here. Yeah, let's copy this one over. So where did we put all that? Let's see. That was all. Yeah, we're not going to do any of this printing out ourselves, right? We don't need to do any of that manual printing. We're going to send everything over to the JSP to take care of it. So we're going to look for a username. Given username. And we'll look for a password. Request get parameter of password. Right, and if either of them is null, right, or if it's empty, right, then we want to take them to the login page. Password equals null. So username is null, or it's empty, or password is null, or password is empty, right, equals an empty space. We're going to send them right to the login JSP. /login here to the login JSP. We'll redirect them there to load the login page. Otherwise, right, we actually want to log them in, right? We do this else here. We'll send them somewhere else. Right, where should we send them? Let's see. Sorry, we'll have a add another JSP maybe. Maybe we'll just call this welcome. Right. We're going to copy login over to welcome. And we don't need a form, right? We don't need any of that. We're going to get some other information here in a minute. Oh, I needed the footer too, didn't I? Where's my footer? Oh, stock. Did we not include the footer? We didn't include the footer. Where's our footer? There we go. We have to include the footer. We'll do that there. We'll do that on our welcome page. We'll include a footer. So if it's good, we'll send them to welcome, and we're going to look at grabbing some information out here in a minute. Send them to welcome, lowercase welcome, JSP. Right, so we're going to try a login. So this, we're not going to process anything right now, right? We're not attempting anything. We just want to see if they've sent me something. So we should be able to run this, and we should be able to go head over to /login instead of /hello world. Right, /hello world will take me to the hello world servlet because we have that web mapping set up. Remember in this web XML, it says, hey, if you go to /hello world, go to the hello world servlet. If you go to /login, go to the login servlet. And the login servlet says load the .login code. See if we can get that going here. You're going to pop up. Just thinking about it. Maybe. Come on, Tomcat. Excuse me. Well, believe it or not, we only have 2 weeks left. This is crazy. You know, to the 29th. This semester's been totally flying by. Can't believe we're midway through April already. All right, so here is our servlet. This should take us to the main hello world. And we set that up with our index.jsp. Right, index.jsp has a form that will take us to hello world if we want. Let's see. So if we go /login here. Oops, is that lowercase login? I think it's lowercase login. Case sensitivity is obnoxious. No? We didn't get login. Oh dear. Let's see. Should be. Oh yeah, capital L login. /login. Try that again. /login. Oh, login JSP is not found. Oh, I gave it the wrong path. That's right. Those are all in my views folder. I wasn't paying attention to the error. The error said login JSP is not found. Okay, we gave it a bad path. So let's come back to our controller here. It's not /login. It's /views /login, right? Views /login. Give that one a save. Oh, look, is it reloading it? No way. Did it reload? No. Oh, it couldn't find /views either. Oh dear. Did we name it wrong? Am I doing the wrong thing here? /views. Should send it there. Lowercase for the login. Oh my goodness. Yes. The JSP name case sensitive. Thank you, Lazy. No, we haven't talked about storing images in the database yet. We can definitely do that. That's always fun. There we go. Okay, now it's thinking much harder. All right, look at that. We have a username and a password. Okay, so we just put something in here and something in here. Because remember, if any of them were null or empty, it would not work for us. So now login, say don't save, takes us to the welcome page. So it's still the login servlet, but now it's loading the welcome page here. Cool, so we're able to get logged in. All right, so let's go then and, yeah, let's do that. Let's see if we can do the, throw some images in for fun. So once we're logged in, right, we need to add some information. So before we send them over to welcome, right, what we can do is we can get the session. So it's an HTTP session. Just call it the session. Request.get session. Okay. Once we have the session, now I can start adding things to it. And this is all managed with session cookies currently. There's ways to do it with URL rewriting, but that's not ideal because then anybody who has that URL can steal their session. And most people are fine with cookies nowadays. So it was import session. Awesome. And then session, you can add stuff. So we can say session.add attribute. It's right there, session, come on. Session.add attribute. Oh my goodness. Session dot. There. That's not add, it's set attribute. There. Yep, that's why it wasn't coming up. Set attribute. You can set an attribute given a string. So the string is like the key that we're going to look this up as. We'll say username. And then what we're going to give it then is the username. We're going to set a session level attribute there, just so we have a username for fun. We can do other sort of things there. We can get values back out later, but we want to see if we can get something. Okay, so we'll go set that, and then we're going to go and grab it afterwards. Okay, so when we come back to our page, we're going to go and get that information out. Right, so let's come back and we'll go and get our attribute here at our welcome page. So we just want to try and get their name out, right? So let's go and grab their name out of the value here. And let's see, we want to have this is our, let's see, we're using C core, right? C dot. Oh, I gotta get the session. This was, I don't know, that's the wrong one. We wanted sessions. Get our session. Oh goodness, sorry. Getting this all mixed up here. So we got the core library, right? Yeah, we want to set our session. Yeah. Here we just get our session here with some code. Session. Get attribute. And we want for username. And we just want to throw that into our output. Oh dear. It's unhappy. Why is it unhappy here? We want to just get our session. Semicolon. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. Right. Oh dear. All right. Yeah, we'll see if we can get this one here. So we want to check our session, get attribute. I think we want to assign it. So equals to output that. All right. Nope. Nope. Oh, I didn't like that. We just get our username. Let's see. Yeah, reset their form. Oh, we're not outputting it anymore. Sorry. We have to output this. Let's see if we can do it with our expression language instead, because this is obnoxious. Let's do expression. Session. Username. It's not going to grab the session, is it? Maybe it will. We'll see. See if we can grab it with our... All right, and we'll go back, re-log in. Nope, it didn't set it. That's okay. Why is it not setting our session? I think I'm getting it the wrong way. I'm sorry, folks. Let's try this. Let's do a whole block. All right, we'll say HTTP session equals request get session. Get session. Username session dot. Oh, we gotta import that, right? Oh, good. Oh, yeah, we already have it defined. Good, 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 good. So we have session. It likes it. Session dot get attribute. Given username. Let's see. So toString, right? toString. Turn it into a string. And now we got a username. My goodness. All right, so I've got a username defined, and then maybe in some, I don't know, let's put it in a span. Hi there. Username. Span. All right, maybe it'll be happy with that now. Let's see. All right, loaded, refresh, send. There. All right. All right. Now we're getting the information out of our session. All right. So why was it not working with our EL? Was it? Let's come back. Let's see. My goodness. Find me the right tab here, friends. Oh, I closed it. That's why. That's right. JSP EL session data. Or what? Session attributes. There we go. Let's see if this first hit is any good here. Yeah, accept the cookies. That's fine. Ah, no period. Nice. Okay. Should be able to get it out there then. Or see out. Let's try that. See if we can see out. A little output tag. Let's see. And we are. Value is session.username. Value equals $sign. See if we can get that one to go. It's always like 3 different ways to do things. All right. So servlet, resend. Oh, I didn't grab it. Didn't grab it. We have to do that set thing. Maybe we have to do that set thing first. a setting. Oh, session scope. Username? Maybe it's that way. No. Equal sign expected. Value equals. Session scope. That's username. No, it's not going to get that. That's our variable username. This is all confused. We can do it the hard way if the EL's not cooperating right now. Yeah, I think the EL does not want it to cooperate. That's all right. Forget it. Let's do it the hard way. Okay, so once we're logged in, right, now we want to be able to give them away. We wanted to save some images in the database, right? So let's grab a form here. Grab another form. We'll come back and we'll go and grab that image here. And we'll send it. We don't want to use the login controller for that. Let's send it. You know, that's fine. That's fine. We can use the login servlet. So let's have it. We'll have. Let me just do a image. Let's go find a form. File upload form. HTML. All right. Hey, what do you think? W3 schools? They're usually halfway decent. We'll go steal their content here. Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah, they even give us a PHP version. That's fancy. Look at the type of file here for file name. And a submit. We'll send it here. Sure, why not? Right, a little browse for file option. Okay. Cool. Oh, you know, we had what? Do we have that? Our stock controller was doing all the database connection stuff, right? Nope. Where's our? Oh, Hello World did it. Never mind. Started all the connections. Yeah, we can just store it. We'll just usually we convert it to the base 64 bytes. Yeah, that's usually how we would go and do that. And we can just add it to our table. So let me open up XAMPP here. Oops, not there. Oh dear, undo. Launch XAMPP. Don't change my controller here. We'll go fire this up. All right, so I'm going to start up Apache MySQL. We'll go launch my PHP admin, and we can mess with the table. Come on, PHP my admin. There we go. It's loading. It's thinking about it. Come on. Maybe it's loading. Did it stop? Maybe it stopped. Nope. Come on. There it goes. Thinking about it real hard now. All right, test database. Oh my goodness. Come on. All right, we're going to add a new. There we go. Oh man, we haven't done a new table in a while. There we go. So this is like our ID here. Yep, sure. As an int. We had that primary index, auto increment. There we go. Yep, good. And then we wanted to add our, here we go. Come on, drop down. This var binary. Is it bytes? I don't know. That's not it, is it? I think it's var binary. We're just going to store, oh no, blob. There we go. Blob is pretty good. We want blob storage. File. And we should probably have a varchar for the file name as well. Oh goodness. It's not. Drop down. Drop down's freaking out. There it goes. That's to varchar for file name. I'll just call it name, I guess. I guess this is data, right? Data. Okay, so we'll have the data, we'll have the name. It's stored in there. We got our primary key. Should be good to go. Oh, here we go. This is files. Oh, available length. That's right, length for varchar. Say up to 100. Why not? All right, cool. So we got our table here for files. There we go. Okay, so now we'll be able to store things in this table. This is our files table here. Now it's not, I mean, this is individual IDs we could track, and we've got the name for it coming back out. Sure, that should be okay. You know, if we're not tracking by user here, so like each individual file, then we're going to have to know which ID to go pull up. So if a tweet has a image, right, we're going to need to include that optionally, that, hey, we might have an image here, right? That's the idea. Right. All right, so let's see. So now we want to go and we want to grab that uploaded image that they send us. Right. So let's come here. So when we go and upload That image, we're going to try and set all this connection stuff here. Let's grab most of this for here now, right? Back to our login controller. So if they send something, great. And then how about we say if they were going to upload. Right, we added that. We added that on welcome. Now, let's put it in another controller. Why not? I'll do upload. We'll send the file. I guess we'll just call it file here. You upload. Right, so we'll add a new controller in here. New servlet. Call this one upload. We'll add that to our mappings here. All right. We don't need to do any of this stuff here, because we're going to use all of our JSPs. What we want to do, yes, we want to add our imports. We're going to try and set up a connection here. We're going to insert into file. Right, we called it file. I think we call it file. Files, sorry. Sometimes I add the S, sometimes I don't. Insert into files. We don't need ID, so we need the data and we need the name. Right? We had data and name. Values, question, question. Okay. So then we're going to have file name. So we have to get that file information off of that upload there. Right. So once they are sending us that data. All right. So where are we getting our parameters? We want to save that as our file. Let's see. Yeah, we got a connection. Oops. Oh, get connection. That's right. We made a little method for that, didn't we, in our little world? Here we go. So we'll grab get connection. Oh, maybe that's fine. I'm going to copy paste and feel a little bit bad about it, but that's okay. Okay, connect here so we can connect to it. All right, and then we can get our request.get parameter. So we should be able to get the file out there. So when we do a file upload, right, what do we call it? We call it file, right? Yeah, file here. So it's not a string though, right? We want to take all of that and we want to encode it. Right, so we want to take the string and we want to turn it into some big blob data. Oh, let's see. That's it. We can do it. Here you can do an input stream. Input stream, load a file. You get it as the input stream. All right, add the input stream. Nope. Oh, why is it giving it? It's only giving it to you as a string. That's all right. Let's see. We can set it as a blob. Because in our prepared statement here, we can set. So set one will be set blob. And then we can give it the file here. But we need to get that out. So then we have the file name as well. Let's see. What's our file upload? Geez. File upload. Load. The type is file. Sorry, we didn't have a good example to go off of for this. But we can accept. There we go. Yeah, if we want to accept just images there, that's even better. Accept. We'll add that. Input. Oops, we want to accept. Where'd that go? Accept. Oh, video. No, just image. There we go. All right, now where do we get the data out of it, though? Accept image, image. Submit it. Oh dear. Servlet. Hey, maybe this first one will do. Yeah, upload a file. Awesome. Gives us that. Well, file upload servlet. That's fancy. Oh man. Why does that not look so easy? I don't want to use all their jars. File item. No, that's not what we want. I just want a single file upload. We don't want multiple files at a time. We don't need that. Yeah, we don't want to write them to a file path. Sorry, folks. I thought we had to be a little more straightforward. What file? Let's start. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's doing all the same. I don't want any of that though. Hmm. We'll find a good example in here. It's probably why the book didn't have it. There's our form. Yep. Good. Okay. Yeah. There we go. That looks more straightforward. All right. To write it to a file? No, thank you. For part in request to get part. So it must always happen in parts then. That's obnoxious. Get file name. All right, let's try it here. Let's see if we can just rip this off. See, I don't want to write it all. I want to write it to like File stream. Yeah, there's an Apache Commons library. Oh, maybe we just use the Apache Commons library then. Maybe we try that. We don't want the disk one though. See if we can add any of these in. File upload. Dot. Oh, it doesn't have it. We can add those, right, to our library. We have the Apache Commons. Nope. All right, forget it. Forget it. We'll go with their first method. See if we can make that work. And we should also do it in PHP then too, right? We're gonna be uploading images. All right, so this the path. Okay, so before we try any of the database connection stuff, let's see if we can get the data here. Come on, show me part. That's a request, right? Request.get parts. Come on. What's the hint? There we go. Servlet part, yeah, looks good. Now we're not actually going to write that to a file, though, are we? No, does it not like that? Oh, we imported it. Yeah, servlet HTTP part. That's what it is. Don't do that. So yeah, let's not even do the upload path. Let's see if we can write it. Let's see, so that's servlet part. Let's see if we can write that too. Part. Here's 8. Tomcat? Oh, neat. Is that one it? Part.write. This writes to a disk. You want a file name. Get it as an input stream? Is that it? Yeah, we want to get the input stream. Okay, so we just want the parts in the input stream. Let's see, servlets. Part to database. Let's see. See if we can get some good hits here. File. Load file. Aha. This looks like a good hit. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Blob. There we go. Oh, look at this. Look how awesome that's going to be. So it's taking us through everything we need here. Look at that. Amazing. Get part. Sweet. This one's much better. Okay, this is what we're going to do, folks. This is what I was hoping for. Something easy, right? So let's throw this in here. Boom. Okay. So we need to get the input stream and the parts. There we go. Okay. And that is, what did we call ours? Our image, did we call it? From our welcome page. Yep, file. We call it file. There we go. So we want to look for file. And if it's not null, right, we can get name, we can get size, get content type, we can get the input stream here for it. Now that we've got the input stream, then we can hand that to the blob. There we go. So we give that the input stream. And then the file name, then, right, let's get names. We'll have a string for file name. File name is nothing to start. And then we want to set that here. File part get name. There we go. This is much better. Much better. And that is file name. And that's a set string. Okay. Okay, so we should be able to add all that here, and then we'll put them back to then what, hello world slash login, I think. We do login. We should take them back to welcome because they already had a username and password, I think. We'll see. Our login controller. Let's see if that works. This may or may not break terribly, but we'll find out. That's part of the fun. Okay. Give that a little format. So a little prettier. There we go. Hey, we can even put a breakpoint in, right? Why not? Let's run. No, we want to debug it here. Glad you used PHP. Yeah, there's PHP examples too. All right, and actually I have some fun images. I was just playing in the other class here. Oh, where did I put them? I have some playing cards we were using. GitHub 21, our GUI graphics here. Yeah, we have some fun playing cards. We'll try this card back image. I'll just copy and paste that. There we go. Then we've got it on my desktop for later. All right, so we're going to go to /login. We'll log in with something. Shouldn't matter. There we go. And now we can browse. We'll go find that on the desktop. Card back. And let's try upload. Let's see. Okay, so something bad might have happened. Find out. Do we have anything in our logs? Nothing in the logs. Nothing ran. Oh, no, that's a different error. I don't know what that one is. Did it do something? I don't know if it did anything. Take a peek at our database. It's not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. Let's see if there's anything in files. No, no rows. Okay, so something didn't happen right. Try. Connect. Redirect. Okay, we'll put a breakpoint in. We'll try it in debug. Upload. We didn't actually send them to upload. Did we send them? We went to upload, right? The upload servlet. Should have happened. Let's find out. We're getting close, folks. All right, hello world. /login. Oops, that's not it. /login over here. SDF, SDF. All right, here we go. We're at this one. We're going to browse. Give it that card back. Upload. Here we go. All right, so now we're here. So we're going to try our input stream and file name. We're going to get the part out. It's called file. Do we have a file part? Oh, it's null. Null? Why is it null? well, that's a bummer. All right, so stop that. Must be naming something wrong. What did we name? We named something wrong, didn't we? Uh-oh. Nope. I needed this one. What did they name it? Let's see what they named it there. The file was the name called photo. Yep, photo. There's get part photo. That's a bummer. Huh. Maybe we need this multi-part config? Maybe we can steal that. We'll try that. That is, where did you put that? Put it on the servlet. Nope. Oh, that didn't copy, right? Try a little deck. Why is copy paste not working? Copy. Paste. Nope. Oh boy. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Multi-part config. Multi-part config. Yeah, add some annotations. There we go. And max file size equals. We don't need these very large here. I'm going to go, he did like 16 megabytes. We want much smaller than that. So let's do like, it's millions, right? Because megas are about millions. So we'll do about 1 megabyte. So maybe 1 million or so. That ought to do it to set that. All right, so maybe that'll do the trick for us. Oh, we went on debug mode, didn't we? Stop. Debug mode. We called it file, right? We called it file in the servlet? I think we called it file in the servlet. Let's go back to login and log in with something. Okay, browse, give it the file back. Card back. There we go. All right. So let's see. So we have the request, right? And what do we have in the request? Got a whole bunch of data in here. We'll see if we can get that part out. I'm curious. Step. All right, we're going to try and get the part out of the request now. Step. What are we doing here? It's waiting. It's waiting. Do we come back? I don't want the thread pool thing. Where'd we go? What's it doing? Ooh. Internal server error. Okay. Request doesn't contain a multi-byte form data stream. Okay. All right, we didn't do something quite right then with our form. So just a file upload, right? Ah. Type here. Let's set our type for our form. We'll stop all that nonsense. Form. Oh my goodness, why can't method post? My copy paste is broken. So the ENC type. Let's slide that over here. Slide this one over here. Method action ENC type multi-part / form data. Give that one a shot. Now let's try it. All right, go to /login. Goodness, who would have thought this would take so long? Sorry, folks. All right, browse for the card back and upload. Here we go. Step and step and step. Do we get a file part? Now we have a file part. Look at that. If we do it right, it works. Just follow the directions better. All right, so we should get name. We have a file name. Right. Oh, it's just called file. Oh, that's okay. That's not the name we wanted. That's okay. And what do we output here? So we had our Tomcat log. Okay, so file. Here's the size. The content type is a JPEG. All right, so the name was not right then. So get name was not helpful. But that's okay. We'll be all right. So now we want to, where are we here? Let's keep on going. And get our connection. All right, we're going to try to insert into our table. We're going to set the blob, set the string, execute. Oh no, SQL exception. Data truncation. Data was too long for data. Oh, I didn't set the blob table big enough. All right, let's go back and fix that here then. So files is bad. Stop that. Hey, let's follow along this example, right? What did they use? They used a medium blob. All right, what was our type? Did I use a bad type? Files, columns. I called it a blob. Do we want medium blob? Try medium blob. All right, we'll try that again. All right, so let's go back, log in, and upload. Oh, hello world, login's not available. All right, so I think it uploaded to the database at least. It's just our redirect was bad. Let's see. See if we have anything in files now. Look at that. We've got one called file with blob data. Ooh, more apps, more apps. Let's open this in Paint. No. Can we open it? It opened! Look at that! How cool! I don't know. I'm excited. Maybe you're not excited. All right, we'll take a quick break. We've been playing with this for a little while, and we'll come back in about 10 minutes, and we'll pick it up, and we'll see if we can keep on going with this example and get you all set to where you need to be for uploading files, okay? All right, I'm going to put some more music on. Let's see, we can do that NCS IO. Oh, I have that search in there too. Yes, there we go. Look for electronic. Let's see what we get here. Let's try. Did some of these. I'll try this one. All right, we'll be back in a couple minutes. Okay, say maybe 2:20 p.m. Oh, and of course now the stream's dying.
pills that push me over. I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Hey, it's when that's you. Let's talk about it when it's past you. Reach past you, no. You gotta fight it alone. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up and go to sleep. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up from our sleep. I'll be home soon. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. I'm going under. I'm going under. Who do you rely on now? I know the worst. I know the worst. Who can you call on now? I know the worst. I know the worst. Those medical pills, these ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when so lost, scared to find reasons to not be without you. Wish I could hide my head in the clouds. You came out searching for a reason, came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. If only this time you would have to burn me down. I crumble deep into the feeling that you leave me to drown. Yeah, I'm still holding up together. If only this time you would have to burn me down. You came out searching for a reason, came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. You won't bring me down. You came out searching for a reason, came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. If only this time you would have to burn me down. I crumble deep into the feeling that you leave me to drown. Yeah, I'm still holding up together. If only this time you would have to burn me down.
Hey folks, welcome back. Alright, hey, yeah, perfect timing. That was just ending here. So the download link broke though. Like I went and signed up. It wanted you to make an account. Refresh. And then it broke. I'm so bummed. I was trying to download these. There, download. Yeah, it doesn't go anywhere. So that's unfortunate. Anyway. Alright, we're back. So we got an image, right, loaded into the database. Now we need to go get it back out. Right? So we know we just have the one right now. Well, we can work on that after. And all that associating values. So you can see if there's an image, great. If there's not an image, we don't have to worry about it for our tweets. Okay? So then on our let's do that on our why not in the login controller? Oh no, we had all that in upload. Let's see. I don't want to reset all that connection stuff. That's fine, we can make another controller. So let's go make another servlet. Call this one the, I don't know, get image. Sure, get image. You want to see if we can get this to display back out, right? We're going to need some of these connection things. Here for get image. I should put that in a shared spot here, I'm sorry. Because we could share that everywhere. It'd be a little nicer. Okay, so let's see. Uploading. We did it, success. Verifying it's stored in the database, awesome. Open value in editor, oh nice. Ah, we can do larger images if we need to, nice. Yeah. Cool. So we got it uploaded, now we can go get it back out, right? Okay, let's see. I bet we can find it. So Java servlet, display image from database. All right, as a blob. There you go. We have the bytes as the image. We get a blob, we get the result, get the input stream, send it there. Base 64. Here's our display. Set it as a book. Hey, look at that. Okay, so here's our image here with the base 64 data. Cool. That ought to do it. So we'll copy this one. Oh no, my copy paste is broken. Why is copy paste broken in Netbeans? I'm gonna blame Netbeans. I'm gonna restart Netbeans here. Let's save all. Exit. Let's relaunch Netbeans. It's gonna fail on us hard, isn't it? What's this beeping? Oh, that's weird. I got so many devices. So many big noise around here. Come on, Netbeans. Let's go. It's thinking about it. Come on. Beans, come on, come on. Maybe now we can copy paste to work. All of those are copy paste. So this is nice. It even uses classes, right? We're setting our attribute on the request. And we just use our couts for it. That's awesome. Come on. Come on, Netbeans. Are we there? We're getting there. Can we copy paste? Yes! Copy paste works again. Okay, so Netbeans was just done. All right. So when we get a request, right, we need to get that ID out so we can like get images individually by ID here and return them, or even like, yeah, we could do individual images. Oh, maybe that's even better as a helper method. It might be better as a helper method. We'll do one to start, and we'll go from there. And we can see if we can make that a little cleaner as we go. So let's make a little model for it, right? Why not? Why not? I like that. We'll add another, let's add just another Java class. Call this our image model. Right, so it's just a string here that has that base 64 data. Okay, and then we'll add some sets and gets. And insert code for sets and gets. Getter. and insert code, setter, and how about a constructor? Why not? We'll do some constructors, right? Insert. It's going to make this a nice little bean. Constructor, and also a constructor that takes no arguments. Okay, so then that just sets base 64 image. Come on. Null? I don't know if null is proper, but maybe just an empty string. Maybe empty string's better. That's fine. Get a little format. Oh, I typed it wrong. There we go. Maybe I miscopied. Okay. Got our little image model, and we go to get image. We're going to go do our query to the database. Right, and we want to get this by particular ID here. So we want an int for an image ID equals my request.get parameter for ID. Okay, so we should be able to ask for an individual image out right now, and that's integer %. Sure. Okay, and then we'll get our connection. Let's go steal most of this here for ourselves. We don't need any prepared statements though, which is good. We're going to have a query though, so we're going to say select star from, that's probably better. So we want data, we don't even need name either, just select data from files, where ID equals that value. Right, that's the prepared part here. We're going to prepare the statement, and we're going to set an int, set, come on, it's an integer, 1 to the image ID, and we can just call then execute oh, missing a semicolon. Is that why it's all upset? Come on, Netbeans. All right, where's the rest of this here? We want a result set. There we go. So execute. Oh, we want a prepared one though. Not result set. That's okay. We'll have a result set. Why does it not have prepared statement? Yes, sure. Prepared statement dot execute. Oh, come on. We uploaded. We added you. We added the import. Prepared statement. Dot set my Netbeans is just terrible today, folks. I'm sorry. Set int result set dot execute query Why execute? I think you want just yeah, query result set image. We can close it. Oh, we need the result set, so then we're going to create an image model. Image model equals new image model. And it needs the base 64 data here in a second. So we're going to get that out of our result set. Right, when we grab that data, let's see. result get blob. There we go. Keep on writing all that. Oh, fun. Blob. All right, so get blob. We have our image. This is our result set, I guess. Result dot get, come on. Get blob. And we call that data. Right, so we're going to have our blob results. Right? Blob blob. Result.get blob. All right, and then we'll go through and we'll go and get our binary stream, get all the data, get the image bytes. There we go. Look at that. Tab in the middle here. Yes, input stream. Yes, byte output stream. All these imports are obnoxious. And base 64, that's java.util. All right, now we have the base 64 image. Now we can do our new image model here. Given the base 64 image. Look at that, all that work, my goodness. Okay, and then we're going to send them to, where do we want to send them? There for our view. Should we send them to image, I guess? Make a new JSP. Image view. That's all lowercase, right? Image view. And we'll just copy all this in here. Image view. We don't need the form. I'm just going to output some data here in a minute. On database. All right, so then we're going to set that in our image view.jsp. We need to set the attribute. All right, we got the data, we got it all. Book. Set all there. New book. Blobs, done. Oh, it's just to return the book. Nice, 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 nice. So the servlet then needs to go get the book. So we'll request that attribute for, we'll call it maybe image, and we'll give it the image model. Image model. Okay, we'll send them over to the image view, and then in image view we can go get that out. So our image. It wasn't called book, it was called image model, right? .base64 image. I'm not sure about the width and height. I don't remember what ours was, but we'll try that. See if we can get the image out. All right, all that nonsense. We can get the image view. So that should work if we go to get image, right? And we have to give it the ID. I was looking for just an ID. The parameter was ID. All right, come on. Come on, Tomcat. This is what I get. I closed Netbeans down. Of course, now Tomcat's going to take forever. That's okay. Maybe. Maybe. And then I've got my Comcast tech coming out between 3 and 5 today. So excited to see if they can find out if there's a problem on my line. This random slowness and stoppage is really obnoxious. right, so that was what? I already forgot what I called it. Get image. Get image. Get image, and we're going to say ID equals 1. Oh, it did something. What did it do? You have any logs? Oh, well, I think we went to the wrong... We didn't actually send anything here. It's not hello world image view. Right? We want to send it to views/image view. How about that? Does that look better? View/image view. No, nothing. Let's see. Still no errors. Isn't it? That's how we usually redirect people, right? Let's see. Redirect. Oh, we sent them all the way back. Oh dear. That's fine. We're just stopping. We're stopping. Yeah. Oh, that's to log in. And then login would send them, yeah, to views, right? Views. Image view. Views. Image view. JSP. Let's see. I don't know. I'll put a breakpoint in. We'll try it in debug mode. See if we're getting it out here. Well, how far did you get in the doing the project in PHP, Lazy Rager? I feel like we're getting close here in Java. We're trying to build out some of this image handling stuff. We still need to do the rest of the tweets and the login stuff, but our login's almost there. We'll have to validate it against some users. Let's see. Gonna load anything? Trying to load something. Maybe make that load. Maybe we should have put the breakpoint up here. Let's start in the top of it. Come on, there we go. It's loading. My goodness. Is that it now? Maybe. Forget that, we don't need the first servlet. All right, there we go. Whew. All right. We got an image. All right, image ID, good. We're gonna connect to the database. Oh my goodness. Select data from files. My query was bad there. My query was bad. No wonder it wasn't working. Select data from files where ID is equal to. Maybe that was the whole issue. Let's try it. Let's try it. All right. Get image. Nope. Okay. That wasn't it. Not quite so lucky. Try it in debug mode again. Log in, log out, default homepage. Finish, send tweet. Nice. It's awesome, Lazy Rager. Very cool. All right. See if we get any closer here now. We got our image ID. We're going to create our connection. Get our query. Prepare the statement. Set the int. Get a result. Okay. Get a result. Oh no! What's our exception? I should just print it, right? Printing it out. Where's the error? It's not printing anything. It's not printing our error. That's not it, right? No, this is... Oh, goodness. All right, so why is it not... Why is it crashing there? That was on... Oh, well, you know, we're not looping through these, right? That's the problem. While we have next, right? Then we can get values, right? Or we should be able to get one out. Should be able to get one. Select data from files where ID equals. Let's make sure that works for us. I'm going to try it in debug mode one more time. Put a breakpoint here. Oh, come on, nothing wants to load. There we go. Select data from files where ID equal 1. And go. No results? Oh no, right, that's our result right here. Yeah, that's our result. Yeah, we got it. We got data. Okay. Let's see. All right, here we go. We got a result. Let's see. Oh, goodness. So let's step. Now, what is our exception? Before start of result set. That was our message? Exception. Here's our message. Before start of result set. Do we have to get next? Oh, that's right. We have to get next. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so while result.next. I'm sorry. Result.next. That was the whole reason we didn't do that. Blob, blob. Okay, so we want to get the next result. There we go. How's that? And there should only be one because we're just looking up one image here. Why does it not know what a blob is? We declared it right there. Netbeans is just super slow today. Oh, uh-oh. Maybe we can compile with errors. Might not have been initialized. That's fine. Null. How about now? Okay. Sure. If I tell it it's null, it's fine because it might crash. But we have to tell it it's null. And that we're okay crashing. All right, get image. Oh! Oh, almost! It's almost there. We just didn't have any data. We got an image. View image. Cannot be displayed because it contains errors. Oh, goodness. It contains errors. Okay. All right, we're close. We're close. So close. We got the blob. Set base 64. Yep. Get base 64. Image. Get image. Yep. So something not encoding it right. It's a bummer. Our image bytes. We got it all right. We got our data. Let's see. Output stream. We're writing. Output stream. So image bytes. We encode that as a string. Let's see what happens. See if we get a string here. Let's look up base 64 to image. See if we can search this here. Hey, look at that. Is this going to do it online for us? Convert a string to an image. Nice. Online image encoder. Okay, there we go. There we go. So we'll encode and we'll decode. So see if we get the same result here. Let's see if we can convert this. Our card back. Okay. See if that's what we get back out, right? That is our image, base 64 encoded. How cool is that? So let's actually see, what do we have then? Wow, that's long. That was a bunch of bytes, right? All right, let's try it. Let's see, what's in our database then? Can we poke around here? Oh, that's not right. Select, go. Their blob data. Oh, I want the actual data out. That's fine. All right, we put it in breakpoint. We put it in debug mode. Let's see if we can refresh. Get our image. All right, here we go. So we got some image bytes. A bunch of bytes here. Look at that. A lot of bytes. And we'll have a base 64 image. Oh, it's unreadable. That's okay. It's a big string. What does unreadable even mean? Image model, let's step in. See if we can do anything here. Base 64 image is set. Type of string. Unreadable is fine. I just want to see it. All right, that's fine. We close, we close, we close. Set attribute. And we're going to send it on over. So we got that image model. It's got the base 64 image, but it's unreadable. It's probably just too long, right? We want to discontinue. What happened? Getting it out, right? Let's see. we didn't encode it before in the database. Go. Our data. There's our blob. Files. Let's look at our files table again. Yeah, we got one there. We get the data. Oh, yeah. Okay. There's the data. Let's see. Maybe we can open this with our hex editor. Let's see. Yeah. Well, I'm going to open it with... Yeah, there we go. Here's our hex editor. So we didn't store it as encoded data. Maybe that was the problem. But we're converting it. Let's try a new file. So close, friends. So close. Oh, not clear. No, I didn't want to clear. Hard back. So we put all that in. So that's what we should be getting back out once we finish base 64 encoding this. What's the idea? That should be our image. And this should be the base 64 encoded data that we get out of this. But we're not. But this one can open, right? We were able to open this with Paint, right? I think Paint opened it. Yeah, Paint knew it was a JPEG file. Look at that. All right, we're getting close. So we're running short on time. I got to meet with the Comcast tech in just a minute. Let me get this finished up after I meet with the Comcast tech, and I'll post it for you folks. And we can go from there, okay? Sorry, we're real close. Real close. All right, and then if you need help doing it in PHP, I can also do that as well. Did I not flip this over? Did this thing break? My stream manager looks like it's broken. Hopefully this was working. Oh my goodness. No one told me it was broken. Maybe it was just my side locking up. Yeah, it was just maybe just the preview just froze on me. Let's see, it's reloading. All right. Maybe it's still reloading. Give it a second. Maybe. Thinking about it. Sorry, it's still loading. Coming back. Yeah, okay. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, so I'll finish that up and send it over, but I got to go meet with that Comcast tech. Hopefully they can get my internet here a little more stable and see what's going on with it, okay? So you folks take care. Reach out. We can chat more next week, and we'll get this all finished up, okay? All right, you folks take care. I'll see you around.